morning, students. Today we are going to see the exercise 5.3 continuation. In this exercise 5.3, we are going to see the fifth problem. In the question, fifth problem, what they have given, find the value of A if the line through minus 2, 3 and 8, 5 is perpendicular to y is equal to ax plus 2. So here the question they have asked, find the value of A, isn't it? So if the line passes through, they have given 2 points. So in the 2 points வழியா pass ஆகிற ஒரு line அதுக்கும் y is equal to ax plus 2 அப்படின்ற இந்த line அப்படின்றது எப்பவுமே என்ன ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா ax plus by plus c. ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம ஸ்லோ பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா y is equal to mx plus c அப்படின்ற கான்செப்ட்ல கொண்டு வந்து நம்ம m ஓட வேல்யூ ஸ்லோப் வேல்யூ we can find out. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த டூ லைன்ஸ் பெர்பெண்டிகுலரா இருந்துச்சுன்னா find the value of a. This is the question. Okay. So first given the 2 points, இந்த 2 pointsக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Slope of a line எடுக்க போறோம். Given points are minus 2, 3 and 8, 5. Okay, so the 2 points go slope. Here we should find out the slope of a line. Slope of a line, if 2 points are given, what is the formula for that? That is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here we consider the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay. So here y2 is 5. So 5 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 2, that is 8 plus 2. Is equal to 2 by 10. If we do the cancelling here, we will get 1 by 5. So here the slope of a line, that is m1 is equal to 1 by 5. Another clue what they have given, that is perpendicular to one equation of line they have given. So here also we could find out the slope of a line using this line. So slope of a line y is equal to ax plus 2. So ax plus 2 is the slope of a line. How can we use the formula here? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the formula. Okay, so here we just compare these two. Y is equal to ax plus 2 and y is equal to mx plus c. So the value of m here, which one we are having here? A. So y is equal to ax plus 2. The slope of a line is, that is m2 is a. Okay, so m2 is equal to a. Okay, so the next clue what they have given, since the two lines are perpendicular, so if the two lines are perpendicular, what is the formula? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So value of m1 is 1 by 5 into value of m2 is a is equal to minus 1. That is a is equal to this 1 by 5 go to the opposite side. That will comes a is equal to minus 5. Okay, so the value of A is A is equal to minus 5. Okay. Take down this. Next, we move on to the sixth problem. So next problem, sixth problem, here we are going to see, that is, the hill in the form of a right triangle has its foot at 19,3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and top. So here I take the foot of the hill is C. So that point I denoted by 19,3. So C I denote, that is foot of the hill. Next, so the slope of AC, that is AC is M here I consider. Okay. So in the question the hill oda foot 19,3. The inclination of the hill to the ground வந்து 45 degree. So that is the inclination of the hill means that is theta. So theta ground 45 degree அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படினா இந்த scene triangle here we should take 45 degree. Okay. So find the equation of the hill joining the foot and top. So here we should find out the equation of the hill, that is joining foot and top. Okay. So here first we want to find out the slope of AC, that is slope of AC, that is M. M is equal to, if we here we are using angle of inclination means that that formula is tan 45, because here they have given 45 degree, so that's why here we are taking tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Next, equation of AC whose slope 1 and passing through the point 19,3, that is foot and the equation of hill, that is joining foot and top. Here the question they have given, isn't it? So the foot and top here we take, that is the top is A and the C, the foot we denoted by C. So the equation of AC here we want to find out. So equation of AC whose slope is 1 and passing through the point what they have given, that is 19,3 is. So here if suppose we are having slope and point means to find the equation we should use the slope point form, isn't it? What is the slope point form? That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So here we are having x1 and y1. Okay. Always you consider x1, y1 or x2, y2 only. Don't substitute the value for x and y for this type of problem. So here y minus y1 is 3 is equal to, what is the value of m? The value of m is 1. So 1 into x minus 19. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus 19. Take all the values, that is y value, x, y value goes to that opposite side. So x minus y is equal to, the 19 will comes to the opposite side. So plus 19. So x minus y, that is plus 16. So minus 16 equal to 0. So the required equation is x minus y minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, take down this. So next seventh problem, first row. So find the equation of the line through the given pair of points. So if suppose they have given 2 points and find out the question, find the equation means we should use 2-point formula. Okay. So what is the question they have given? 2 comma 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 comma minus 2. So equation of the line passing through the point two comma 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 comma minus 2 is the 2-point formula is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now earlier I told you the points you should consider x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay. So this is 2-point formula. 2 points கொடுத்துட்டு equation கேட்டாங்கன்னா we should use this formula only. So y minus y1 is 2 by 3 by y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 by 3 is equal to x minus 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So here find the LCM of numerator in the left hand side. So 3y minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 6 minus 2 by 3 is equal to here x minus 2 by minus 1 minus 4 by 2. So here the 3 and 3 are cancelling. So 3y minus 2 by minus 8 is equal to here x minus 2 by minus 5 by 2. So that is x minus 2 by 1 into 2 by minus 5. So that is 3y minus 2 by minus 8 is equal to if you are multiply by x minus 2 into 2, that is 2x minus 4 by minus 5. So if you do the cross multiple, we will get minus 5 into 3y minus 2 is equal to minus 8 into 2x minus 4. So next minus 15y minus 10 plus 10 is equal to minus 16x plus 32. Okay. So that is, we will take same side. So that is 16x. If I may x positive argo. So if suppose you having a negative x means you will take everything to the left hand side. Okay. So 16x minus 15y plus 10 minus 32 equal to 0. So that is 16x minus 15y minus 22 equal to 0. Because first எப்பயுமே வந்து negative வந்து values இருக்கக்கூடாது. Okay, so that's what we are taking like this. Okay. So next, eighth problem. A cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. The cat wish to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path. It needs to take its milk. So here I just want to draw that points. Okay. Take that points into the xy plane. That is, first one is minus 6, minus 4. So the cat is located at that point. So I consider that point as C. Minus 6, minus 4. Okay. So I just take this one as C. Minus 6, minus 4. Okay. Then a bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. So 5, 11. Here I take here. Okay. So 5, 11. This one is I named by M because milk no. So M. Okay. So I just join these 2 points. Okay. So the cat is located at the point C and the milk is kept at the point M. And the cat wished to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. That means equation of the line by these 2 points. Okay. So find the equation of the path. It needs to take its milk. The path here we just take equation of path CM. Okay. So C of minus 6, minus 4 is the position of cat. M is the M of the point 5, 11 is the position of milk. So equation of path CM is, if 2 points are given, means the equation of the line we should use 2-point form, that is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So here the 2 points are, one is C and another one is M. So take it as C minus 6, minus 4 and M is 5, 11. Consider that one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So y minus y1 means y minus y1 is, that is minus 4. So that will becomes plus 4. So y plus 4 divided by y2 minus y1, that is y2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is equal to x minus x1. The x1 is x minus x1, that is x plus 6 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 5 plus 6. Okay. So here y plus 4 divided by 15 is equal to x plus 6 by 11. Okay. So do the cross multiplication. 11y plus 44 is equal to 15x plus 15 6 are 90. So 15x, I already told you the first variable we should have only the positive value. So the left hand side we will move on to the left side variables to the right side. So 15x minus 11y then plus 90 minus 44 is equal to 0. So 15x minus 11y plus 46 equal to 0. So the equation of the path is 15x minus 11y plus 46 equal to 0. Take down this. Next problem is very important problem. The ninth problem, that is very important. So find the equation of the median and altitude of ABC through A where the vertices are. 3 vertices they have given. So the median and altitude you already studied in the 9th standard. So here also I will explain. Okay. So find the equation of the, first we are going to find out the median, afterwards we will find out the altitude. Okay. So to find median, so here I draw one triangle. I give the names of these 3 vertices, that is 6, 2, B is minus 5, minus 1 and C is 1, 9. So first question, to find the median. Median means I just draw median. That means if I take the point A, the opposite side, first we find out the midpoint of opposite sides. So here I take that as, I just give the names D. So join these two lines. Okay. So median அப்படினா என்ன அப்படினா here AD is the median. So ஒரு triangle ஒரு vertexல இருந்து opposite side ஓட midpointக்கு நம்ம ஒரு point வச்சு அந்த particular vertexல இருந்து நம்ம opposite sideக்கு அந்த median நம்ம draw பண்றோம். அந்த AD இப்போ you can see here, so here AD is the median. இந்த AD க்கு நம்ம வந்து equation find out பண்ணனும். சரியா? So AD க்கு equation find out பண்ணனும்னா first we want to know the point D. So how can we find out the point D? D is the midpoint of BC. So first step we are going to find out the point D. So point D find out பண்ணிட்டு A க்கும் D க்கும் நம்ம 2 point formula எடுத்தனா we can get equation of median AD. Okay. So first one, midpoint of BC is D. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here the point of BC is minus 5, minus 1 and C is 1, 9. Okay. So here x1 plus x2 means minus 5 plus 1 by 2, minus 9 plus 9 by 2. So is equal to 4 by 2, 8 by 2. So if you do the cancelling here, we will get 2, 4. So which value is greater here? Minus 5. So we will get minus 2, 4. So the point D is minus 2, 4. Okay. So equation of the median. So here AD is the median. we want to find out the median equation of median AD. AD is, so the point A is 6, 2, D is minus 2, 4. Okay. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So the 2-point formula is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2. So y minus y1 is 2 divided by y2 minus y1 is 4 minus 2 is equal to x minus x1 is 6 by x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 6. So y minus 2 by 2 is equal to x minus 6 by minus 8. So do the multiplication, that is minus 8 into y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 6. So minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 2x minus 12. So take it to the same side. So that is 2x plus 8y. So the 8y plus 16 we will take over to the opposite side. So plus 8y, that is minus 12 minus 16 equal to 0. So 2x plus 8y minus 28 equal to 0. So here we can divide it by 2. So if we divide it by 2, we will get x minus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. So next, second Roman, to find the equation of altitude. Here also I just draw on triangle the same thing, A, B, C. Okay. So the altitude means I just take that point A means I want to draw the perpendicular line to the opposite side. This is called altitude. Here I give the names for this one as D. So altitude means another perpendicular line. ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து ஆப்போசிட் சைடுக்கு நம்ம perpendicular line draw பண்றது தான் நம்ம வந்து altitude அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? So here for this question how we can do, altitude means here AD. Okay. So AD அப்படின்றது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நம்ம மீடியன் அப்படின்றனால BCக்கு மிட் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்து நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணோம். But here the perpendicular line, isn't it? So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், BC, slope of BC here we first find out. Slope of BC எடுத்து அதை வந்து நம்ம altitude நம்ம வந்து எடுத்துட்டு slope point formula here we are going to use. Okay. So slope of BC find out பண்றோம். So slope of BC is equal to if suppose they have given 2 points mean, what is the slope of slope formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the point of B is minus 5 minus 1, C is 1 9. Okay. So y2 here y2 is 9 plus 1 divided by x2 is 1 plus 5. Okay. So 10 by 6. Here do the cancelling, we will get 5 by 3. Okay. So 5 by 3. So slope of altitude. Slope of altitude means, so first we find out the slope, that is m. So m is 5 by 3 means slope of altitude formula is minus 1 by m. So that is minus 1 by 5 by 3 means here we write 5 by 3 So if suppose we will take to the numerator, so here minus 3 by 5 will come. Okay. So now equation of altitude. Equation of the, here altitude is AD. So altitude AD is, so equation of AD அப்படின்றது என்ன, ஒரு point ஒரு slope. Here we should use one point and one slope. Point slope formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, here the point we should take, the point is a point, here we should take. So the point of A is 6 comma 2, right? So take it as x1 y1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5. So x minus 6. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 18. The 5 will goes to the opposite side. So 5 into, that is 5y minus 10 is equal to minus 3x plus 18. So take it to the same side. 3x minus 5y plus 10 plus 18 equal to 0. That is 3x minus 5y minus 28 equal to 0. Take down this. Okay, next 10th problem. Find the equation of the straight line which has slope and passing through the point. So if suppose they have given one slope and one point, means we should use one slope point form. So slope of a line that is m is equal to minus 5 by 4. Then the point, which point they have given, minus 1 comma 2, that is x1 comma y1. Okay. So equation of a line, ஒரு point ஒரு slope கொடுத்துட்டு equation கேட்டாங்கனாலே this formula only is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4, that is x plus 1. So the 4 will go, comes to the opposite side. So minus 4y. 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. So take it to the same side. That is plus 5x minus plus 5x plus 4y, because x la minus irukku. So take it to the opposite side. So plus 4y minus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. So 5x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, thank you children.